Welcome to the CONS3RT Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to edit a system design that is currently being used in one of your deployments. To do so, head on over to your deployment run, follow the breadcrumb trail to the system. And if your system is in development, you will see this blue banner at the top of your browser. Select Edit Asset, which is altering its CPU count, memory. You'll also be able to add software assets. Once you have finished your changes and saved them, return to your run, and you will want to redeploy it or rerun it. If you'd like to review this process, make sure to follow the videos in the upper right-hand corner of the screen or in the video description down below. And now you have successfully redeployed your system with its modifications. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the CONS3RT Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit our help site, which features these videos and articles that cover these topics in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.